Now this topic is related to previous topic. Now NOR gate, why we are called as a NOR gate as a universal gate. Already we have discussed that by using NOR gate we can implement basic gates such as NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Now these are some logical expressions or logical diagrams. So this is the NOR gate. By using that NOR gate, how we are going to implement this NOT gate. Now the same concept is that you have to short the inputs. Okay. So you have to short the inputs, and when we are shorting that input, it is considered as a NOT gate. So NOR gate is considered as a NOT gate when we are shorting the inputs. So the expression of NOR gate, A is equal to, NOR gate means it is OR gate, OR means plus. So A plus B whole bar, you have to remember this expression. Okay. Now here the concept is what, we are shorten the input. So here B is equal to A. So we are putting this A plus A in this. So it is A plus A whole bar, and by using OR law, A plus A, we can write only one variable by using OR law. So in the OR law itself showing that A plus A is equal to, you can write only one variable. Now in the next expression, that is what the OR using NOR. So in the OR itself it is having NOR. So the expression whatever you are getting, A plus B whole bar, because we are putting the two inputs to the NOR, and this is the NOR expression, and same concept is considered as a NOT. So it become 2 bar, A plus B whole bar. So two inversions are there, and your expression is like this, A plus B double bar. Okay. So by using inversion law is what, A double bar is equal to A. Same law is going to apply here. So Y expression is Y is equal to A plus B. Now the next is, you want to implement AND gate using NOR. Now the variables are separated and inputs are shortened. So A become A bar by using first NOR gate, and B become B bar by using second NOR gate. When we are putting this, the third NOR gate, it become, the expression is A bar plus B bar, because plus we are putting that this is the NOR gate and this is the inversion. Now you have to solve this by using this De Morgan's theorem. You have to apply the De Morgan's theorem, A double bar. So the operator is changes, plus become into, okay, it become double bar. By using inversion law, already we have discussed that inversion law, it is A into B. So A into B, whatever you are getting, it's a AND gate. AND gate means into, Y is equal to A into B. Okay, thank you.